In this video, we are going to see how we can hide our YouTube channel or deactivate it temporarily. So if you don't want the other people to see your videos, comments on your videos for a temporary period of time, here's how you can easily do it. First of all, what we'll do is just head over to the youtube.com and make sure to sign in with your profile, okay? Sign in with your Google account first, and then we head over to the top right hand corner. You click on the profile icon, and from here we head over to the settings that you will see at the bottom. So click on that. Now on the left hand side, you will see this advanced settings, right? Click on that. Here, if we see something like this, no advanced settings available while using permissions, that means we are logged in as a manager or as an admin. We are not the owner of the channel. So in that case, we will try the other one and click on the advanced settings. And here we can see that we do have all the settings. And from here, we can select the delete channel option. Don't worry, it will not delete the channel. It will show you multiple options there. So click on that. First of all, you need to confirm that it is your account. And once you confirm that, you will see this option that says, I want to hide my content. So click on that. And from here, we can tick all of these options that says the following will make your 185 public videos private. And you will also have one public playlist that will be hidden. The following will not be hidden: your channel page, your channel name, your channel art, and your subscriptions and likes. So you will tick on both of them and then click on hide my content. And this is how you do it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.